Hello, welcome to my home lab. In this new video, I'm going to create a Python Hello World Docker app with Visual Studio Code and remote SSH. The first thing we need to do is to install Python or to check if Python is properly installed. Therefore, we go to the command line, SSH to our Fedora server, and we are in. So, sudo dnf update refresh. With this command, we're going to update our Fedora server with the latest software. Enter password, because sudo. And you see, we have a lot to update. Yes. I come back when everything is installed, because this can take some time. The update is complete. Now we can install Python 3. I have the following command, sudo dnf install Python 3. Enter. As you can see, I have the latest version, nothing to do. So we are okay. Now we're going to create some directories. First I do ls. We check what we have. We have backups, Docker, download, images, and network shares from previous videos. We're going to create an extra directory, programming. Enter. We go inside it. And we create another directory, Python. So, and Kadir, Python. As you can see, we have the directory. Now we can go to Visual Studio Code and start programming. We open Visual Studio Code and go to Remote window. Click on it, connect current window to host. We select our Fedora server. Everything is from previous videos. Click on it. See, we are connected. Everything is okay. First, we go to the extensions. As you can see, we have remote SSH and Docker containers. We're going to install an extra extension. You see, on the top, you have the Python extension from Microsoft. Very popular, many times downloaded, so we install it. Install, it can take some time. I come back when everything is ready to use. Everything is installed. Move that. And you see, we have a couple of new things. Pylons, Python, and Python debugger. All installed on our Fedora server. Open this here. Up. As you can see, we have the Docker containers and the Python. Now we go to Explorer, open folder. You see we have the home folder. We can go to programming, the directory we just created, and Python. Okay. See, busy. I know everything is okay. can close this welcome screen and start programming. We create a new file. We call it test.py. As you can see, we have the new directory and can start programming. I have prepared some simple hello world code, import time, while true, so this will run forever, print hello from my home lab, and sleep for 5 seconds. I do Control S, you see everything is saved. We go to the terminal, new terminal, you see we are in the right directory, and do Python 3 test.py. Enter. As you can see, hello from my home lab will run forever and print every 5 seconds the text. The next step is to create a Dockerfile. Go here, open new file, Dockerfile. See, we have already the right icon. Prepared some simple code, copy it, and paste it. See, from Python latest. There you can find that. Here, you see here, Python latest on the Docker Hub website. Python, and then you select here the name you want and choose latest. We go back to Visual Studio Code, work directory, I give it a name app, but you can call whatever you want. Copy everything in the current directory, the dot, this one, to the app directory, the work directory. So this one and this one has to be the same. And the last command is to run Python test.py. So this file. Control S, save it, see, it's saved. Now we go to the command line and build the image. Paste it, Docker build T to give it a name. Hello from my home lab. This one is the name. And dot, don't forget the dot. Dot means the current directory. Enter. As you can see, busy, and it's already done because I ran this already before, so the Python latest is already downloaded on my computer. Then we look at the images we have. Docker image, and you see here, hello from my home lab, the latest version, because we don't specify that in the here. You can specify a version, but I didn't, so it's latest. And the last is to run the image, create a container, and run the test.py. So docker run -it, that's for printing to the console, and the name, hello from my home lab. So this one, the same. Enter, and you can see every 5 seconds we have the text, hello from my home lab. Now we can go to containers, and we see we have image and we have the container is running. Down, see the home, there. Up, see here, Dockerfile and test. So this one is inside the hello from my home lab container. See here, app directory. Here, this one, the Dockerfile. here, this file, and the test.py is this file. In the next video, I'm going to do the same, but with the Java app. This was it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and see you later.